Key control. Your customers want it, and now finally we have it. So the time has finally come. I've been asking GMS, now maybe begging a little bit from time to time, to be able to have our own MX keyway with national distribution rights, which means we're the only one in the USA that has this keyway. We have in stock MX13, our very own key control system, also known as a restricted key system. So what does that mean? Well, let's talk about the three main key systems out there in the world today. The first is just your standard like Schlage or Quickset keyway, right? Open and available to anyone, everything, everywhere. The highest end of a key system is going to be something like a Medico, where the keys are restricted to who they're available to and the documentation that goes with it. And it has high security features in there that make it very difficult to be tampered with. Now, somewhere in the middle of those two is a restricted key system, and that's what the GMS MX is. Meaning, GMS for this particular keyway only sells the cylinders and the blanks to us here at CLK Supplies, and then we only sell them to the dealers. All the keys have serial numbers on them and are tracked from manufacturer all the way to the end user. So that way, you can't get unauthorized duplicates because of the systems in place. So why is GMX a good key controlled or restricted key system to have? Well, first of all, they are made by GMS. Now, GMS is known to make high quality cylinders, and I tell you what, as someone who has distributed the cylinders for years, they're a pleasure to do business with, and they make highly reliable quality cylinders, which is really important when you're keying them up all the time. Now, the MX keyway is going to be available in all of the types of cylinders that you're gonna need for any commercial type of application. And they come in all the standard US 26D, 10B, and US3 finishes. And last but not least, also the LFIC for the large format cores. And now my absolutely favorite part, which really makes the system, is that you get to use all of your existing equipment, machines, and pinning kits to work on these cylinders because they use Schlage space and depth information. So for a code machine, you're just gonna use your standard frame in 2 using the Schlage space and depth information, or your HPC machine as well. Or any electronic machine, all you have to do is put in the Schlage card number and cut the key. When it comes to pinning them, you get to use either your universal kit or your Schlage pinning kit, which is really great because odds are you already have all the equipment you need and you're already familiar with cutting those keys and pinning those type of locks. And each cylinder does include a couple spool pins to add some anti-picking resistance. So not only are you going to be able to make a high profit on the keys and cylinders, you're gonna be able to fill a real need that your existing customers already have. And as of right now, we are officially opening up dealer applications. So if you would like to become a GMS MX dealer with us here at CLK Supplies, please, in the links below, click on it, fill it out, send it to us, or even give us a call, and we'll talk about what it takes to become a dealer. When you sign up and become a dealer, we are going to give you our free course that's going to show you how to set up, maintain, and sell the key control systems, along with all the forms you're gonna need to make sure that you can hit it out of the park. I'd love to know your comments on the MX system below, and make sure you include the hashtag LockBoss to make sure you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every week. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.